How about Ikemen voice? An Ikemen voice. An Ikemen voice. I kind of gotta lower it a little bit. But if I lower it a bit too much, it'll sound too raspy. I don't know if you guys can tell what I'm saying. Is this an Ikemen voice? I don't know though. Not sure. Because right now my throat is a bit sore. Tenggorokannya Ollie itu sekarang lagi serak banget. Jadi kalau Ollie turunin jadi gak kedengeran. Ollie lagi bilang apa? Jadi kayak gitu. Oh, wait, this isn't mine. We ran out of saplings though. I wonder if we can take it from the last forest. We saw a birch forest not far from here. Kalau gak salah kan ada hutan lagi kan ya? Hutan birch di dekat-dekat sini. Tadi kita sempat lewatin. Ah ya, itu kan. Struk basah. Struk basah kah?